Hello, dear colleagues. Today I want to talk about bouncer diffusers. Soft boxes are so popular these days. But let's go back, turn back time and go back to this is one of the classic that we used already in analog days, the pocket bouncer by Lumiquest. So an easy trick. They come with the Velcro, but I don't want to stick Velcro tape on my flashes. So what we are using is we wrap around a rubber band to keep them in place. And the concept of bouncers is you don't orientate the light in 45 degrees towards the patient, but you flash outwards, and then the light is reflected by the bouncer to the tooth surface. Here an example on how it looks when shooting with this. You can work a little bit with the amount of diffusion depending on your angulation of this. So basically this is the classic. Now we have new ideas how to imitate this bouncing effect using 3D printed versions. So we have two types that I have been able to test. So one is from Organic Dentistry and this is from Sexy Ceramic. And you see the Organic Dentistry is a little bit whiter plastic. You even see the traces of the printing. I think was a filament printer used. The inside is polished. So you see also they're very similar, but this is slightly whiter than this in the color, the form and size almost the same. Also the concept of attachment, if we turn it around, you see the concept of attachment basically very similar. Both are sliding. You can slide them. You can slide the flash in and then they are mounted. You see it's interesting on the Sexy Ceramic diffuser, the field of the flash is still visible. Here on the Organic diffuser, the buttons are covered. You still reach them. You can push the buttons. So basically, it's also what you prefer. So this maybe was studied a little bit better that you see the control. So if I'm turning on the flash, that I still see the control lights. On the other hand, the same. The concept remains the same. Put the flashes a little bit outward, or you can also have it straight forward to illuminate the subject from the side to get less reflections, nice overall look. Basically, it's interesting. Organic diffusers, I think around 160 euro. Sexy Ceramic diffusers around 170, or the other way around. But the price is more or less the same. The concept is the same. So you see the difference is how the part of the flash is covered or basically not covered. So we also have in the Sexy Ceramic a hole for the USB-C port. On this one, the USB-C port is not really accessible. So basically the Sexy Ceramic 3D print is studied a little bit more in detail compared to the Organic Dentistry one. So maybe a tip also for the people from Organic Dentistry to modify their design. You have to modify your STL file to get also a better adjustment to your flash, how to mount it. So this is it for today, talking about bouncers, not diffusers, bouncers. I don't shoot or I don't use bouncers for my everyday dental photography. I just have lateral flashes. You can adjust the light to get the results you want, the 3D look or less reflection, just by positioning your flashes in a different way. But in some situation, it might be helpful to get these as additional tools. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We are ready to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more on Dental TV.